Discriminant and the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. Student learning objectives. 1. The discriminant. 2. The nature of the roots or solutions of a quadratic equation. The discriminant. For a quadratic equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. The nature of roots or solutions of a quadratic equation. The discriminant tells us the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. If b squared minus 4ac is a perfect square, the quadratic equation has two different rational solutions. Number 2, if b squared minus 4ac is not a perfect square, the quadratic equation has two irrational solutions. Number 3, if b squared minus 4ac is 0, the quadratic equation has one rational solution. Number 4, if b squared minus 4ac is negative, the quadratic equation has two complex solutions. Example, determine the nature of the solution. A is 5, b is minus 2, c is 9. The discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. So minus 2 squared minus 4 times 5 times 9. Minus 2 squared is 4, minus 4 times 5, 5 times 9 is 45. 45 times 4 is 180. This here is equal to minus 176. So the discriminant is negative. When the discriminant is negative, it has two complex solutions. The quadratic equation has two complex solutions. So that's what it tells us. Here it says, if b squared minus 4ac is negative, the quadratic equation has two complex solutions.